Prior to the introduction of Fichep's Endeavor gantry drill, bridge girder fabrication had remained unchanged in many respects since the evolution from riveting to high-strength bolting. Typical girder fabrication started with manual layout of all hole and stiffener locations. Holes were generated by manually positioning magnetic drills and then drilling each hole one at a time. Once the end connection holes were drilled and the connection plates attached, the next girder would be manually put into the ultimate erection position relative to the first girder. This is done before the end connection holes in the second girder could be located and manually drilled. Traditionally, the challenge to automate the drilling process of welded bridge girders was that they were not always fabricated as designed because of weld shrinkage. Their total length further compounds this challenge. Fichep has incorporated many unique and innovative machine and software developments to address this challenge. The production of girder drills is not new to Fichep, but the pull-through design required an extensive footprint to accommodate both the entry and exit conveyors. In addition, as welded girders frequently have differing flange heights along the length, they are not always conducive to conveying through a traditional drilling line. In contrast, the Endeavor gantry drilling systems from Fichep processes girders that remain stationary. The Endeavor gantry drill travels the length of the weldment to drastically reduce the system's required footprint. As the gantry system has no datum or reference points, the welded section can be positioned anywhere along the processing envelope. Once the member is loaded on the gantry bed, laser technology is used to scan all relative surfaces and end locations. Once this probing data is completed, the part program is automatically oriented and modified to the actual location and size of the welded member. The Endeavor gantry drill features direct drive 31 kilowatt spindles that deliver 100% of the motor's power to the tool and can generate spindle speeds of up to 5,000 RPMs. This spindle design, with its full power delivered to the spindle, permits the utilization of today's high-performance tools for milling, drilling, tapping, and countersinking. Each spindle is provided with a 6-position automatic tool changer to accommodate a wide range of tools for typical welded section fabrication. Typically, the hole patterns between the flanges and the web do not share the same length coordinate, as the girder does not need to be positioned to a fixed datum. The Fichep Endeavor gantry drill features a 200 mm sub-axis on each spindle. This feature enables typical hole patterns, scribing, or milling in all surfaces to be processed simultaneously, even if they are not in line. Hole sizes exceeding 50 mm can be milled to the required diameter. Typical web preps can also be generated by milling the web and the flanges by using proper tooling. Rat holes can be milled easily to complete the end preparation. This sub-axis capability makes the Endeavor gantry drill well suited to perform milling operations, as just the spindle is active in multiple axes while the part and gantry remains rigidly clamped. This is also essential for scribing operations to eliminate manual layout of attachments such as stiffeners for subsequent welding. Deeper scribing can be generated for part identification visible after painting. Rugged HSK80 tool holders are part of the system to address multiple milling applications. This capability further enhances the diversity of tasks that can be accomplished for large, heavy, and uniquely shaped parts. The vertical spindle has the innovative capability to articulate to any one of 3 positions. This feature expands the gantry's capability to process up to 5 surfaces to address such applications as end milling. The Fichep Endeavor gantry drill systems are available in different envelope sizes, ranging up to 4 meters in width and 1.8 meters in height. Its expansive capabilities have the ability to address the processing of large, heavy, and uniquely shaped welded elements. These weldments may not conform to processing through a line where the part must be transported on a conveyor line. The Fichep Endeavor drill line, with its industry-leading innovative technology, enables new labor-saving capabilities that were previously not available. Let us review in detail your applications to define the benefits and payback of the Endeavor gantry drill and how it can improve your bottom line.